issued a special marine warning for Central Bay of Green Bay until 4:45 p.m. At 3:46 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles northwest of Chambers Island to 7 nautical miles southwest of Marinette, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Eagle Bluff Light, Sherwood Point Light, Chambers Island, Peshtigo Reef Light, Egg Harbor, Sister Bay and Marinette.